We are back here at the Dolphy Theater for the 38th Star Awards for TVI. Kim, good evening. Napakaganda mo naman.
Maraming salamat, Papa P. Napaka-pogi mo rin. Magandang gabi.
Magandang gabi sa'yo.
Yes, magandang gabi.
Alam mo, ang gabing ito, very nostalgic. Kasi parang sinadya na dito naganapin ang Star Awards sa isang theater named after one of the greatest icons of Philippine television and Philippine entertainment, none other than Tito Dolphy.
Yes, tama yan, Papa P. Agree ako 100%. At habang ibinibigay natin ang napakaraming star trophies sa mga best TV programs and performances of 2024, we are making way for more future TV icons from different genres and age.
Last March 15, PMPC has already announced the winners for several categories except for 7 categories including Best TV Station, Best Drama Actor and Best Drama Actress, Drama Supporting Actor and Actress, Male and Female TV Host. Gimme.
Yes, kaya naman we have a lot to look forward to ngayong gabi. So palagay ko, Papa P, simulan na natin ang pag-award sa ating mga favorite TV programs.
Simulan na natin sa pinakabata, Best Children's Show and Best Children's Show Host. Sa mga kategoryang ito, the winning program and the winning program host came from one educational, informative, engaging, and enjoyable children's show. And the stars for Best Children's Show and Best Children's Show hosts go to Talents Academy, IBC 13, and its hosts, Aljur, Anika, Ayesha, Nicole, Cara Madison, and Isabel.
Presenting the trophies from the PMPC is Assistant Treasurer John Fontanilla.
First of all, we'd like to thank our Heavenly Father for this award, PMPC Star Awards. Thank you for this another recognition. To our home network, IBC 13, thank you for always being there to support us. To my versatile and talented cast, this is for all of us. Maraming salamat po.
Good evening, everyone. I am truly honored to be standing here in front of you to receive this PMPC Star Awards as Best Children's Show. In behalf of the entire team, we would like to thank PMPC and to everyone who supported us along the way. To IBC 13, our home network, to Direct June Miguel, to all the...
Ang pinakamagaling na gumising sa atin tuwing umaga. Yung umpisa pa lang ng araw mo ay panay good vibes na ang baon mo buong araw. The winning morning show hosts also came from the same winning morning show. And the stars for Best Morning Show and Best Morning Show Host goes to Unang Hirit GMA7. And its hosts, Arnold, Susan, Lynn, Suzy, Ivan, Marie, Mateo, Shira, Kaloy, Anjo, JR, and Attorney Gabby. Congratulations!
Presenting the trophies from PMPC is Joe Cesar.
Inspirasyon sa amin, sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Unang Hirit para gumising pa kami ng mas maaga. Lalo na ho kapag may mga hindi maganda nangyayari sa ating bansa, may mga kalamidad. Lagi po kami nandiyan para magbigay sa inyo ng mga sariwang balita pag mulat pa lang ng inyong mga mata. So, sa ngalan po na aking mga kasamahan sa Unang Hirit, ito po isang inspirasyon at muli maraming salamat sa lahat na bumubuo ng PMPC. Isang magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Actually, it's past our bedtime dahil maaga pa po kami bukas. Pero nandito po kami para tanggapin ang pagkilalang ito. Maraming salamat po sa PMPC Star Awards sa pagkilala sa Unang Hirit bilang Best Morning Show at pagkilala po sa aming mga host bilang Best Morning Show host. 25 years na po ang unang hirit at hindi po ganun kadali ang gumising na maaga araw-araw. May mga pagkakataong mas mahirap gumising, lalo na sa panahon ng sakuna, bagyo, maging sa panahon ng pandemya, at lalo na sa panahon ngayon ng disinformation. Pero sa mga araw na mas mahirap gumising, naniniwala kami na mas kinakailangan po ang unang hirit para magbigay ng patuloy na serbisyo at programa. Kaya po, patuloy po kami magbibigay ng balita, serbisyo at saya. Maraming salamat po sa pagkilalang ito.
Our next category is for Best Lifestyle or Travel Show. These programs allow us to see the world outside of our homes and try new trends to make our lifestyles more exciting. And the star for Best Lifestyle and Travel Show goes to iHeart PH GTV.
To present the trophy from PMPC, Dominic Rhea.